What is a seller or escrow holdback agreement? Now, if you have not heard of this agreement, this is a game changer, and I'm going to tell you how. So when you're wholesaling real estate, there is a term called a seller holdback agreement or an escrow holdback agreement. They both do the same thing. For example, some people say owner financing instead of seller financing. How does this work? Say if you come across a seller that is very much motivated, they want to sell their house, however, they still need time to move and they also need time to find another place to stay. What do you do in this situation? Do you wait until they packed up all of their stuff and it's finally found a place to stay? Or do you use a seller holdback agreement? In this situation, you will send them the seller holdback agreement with all of the contingencies included. And the best part about this agreement is that you can still close within your 30-day period. However, you will hold back some of that money. You will not give them all of the money at closing because they still haven't moved out of the house. So you are giving them time within the house to stay in the house. You are also giving them money up front from their closing, but you're just holding back some of that money until they're able to fulfill their end of the agreement. After closing, they will still remain in the house until the agreed upon date. By that time, they should have vacated the property. They have the capital up front now in order to help them out with finding another place to stay. So finding a place to stay shouldn't be as difficult because they have some of that money that we gave them during closing to help them move. Now they will do what they want to with this money. However, those moving expenses could be helping them with storage. It could be helping them put a down payment on another house. So that is the good thing about having the seller holdback agreement, because we are actually able to give them money up front. Even if it's not out of our own pocket, it is still from the end buyer. We are able to give them some of the money up front, like, look, this is serious, we are serious, here goes some of the money up front so we can actually help you move and speed up this process. So after they vacate the property is now vacant. There will be a second closing where the seller will get the remainder of their money. This may take a little time. It will be kind of a lengthy process depending on what you guys agree upon. It could be long, it could be short, but this process definitely helps to provide an extra solution to, oh, we can close really quickly. Sometimes that is way too fast. Not all sellers are looking to close that fast. Some sellers actually do need more time to close. So you always want to have multiple exit strategies when you are presenting your offer. This will in fact benefit you and make your business different than everyone else's. Not everyone else knows about seller and escrow holdback agreements, but you do. If you don't already have a seller holdback agreement, I will provide one in the comments, so make sure that you click the link below. But thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to drop them below, and I will see you in my next video.